Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. Let's learn vocabulary with the help of opposites. Don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's begin.
I have a cold water. I have a hot coffee. I am crying. I am laughing.
The rabbit is a fast-running animal. Tortoise is a slow-moving animal. This road is narrow. That road is wide. Zebra crossing is safe to cross the road. It is dangerous to run across the road. This lady is walking. That lady is running. The competition is about to start. The woman has finished the race. The girl is moving. The boy is standing still. This boy is the winner. That boy is the loser. This man is strong. That man is weak. He is an old man. He is a young man. This way you can enhance your vocabulary. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. See you soon.